Fine lines and wrinkles don't start at the age of 40. They start way earlier, and this is the serum that can help. So if you're between the ages of 25 to 30 and above and not using retinol in your skincare routine, we need to talk. When it comes to anti-aging skincare, retinol has always been and will always remain the gold standard. So in this video, I am going to be reviewing the Advanced Clinical Retinol Serum. I'm going to be breaking down for you everything that this product says it is and that it promises to do, what people who have used it have said, if it has been working for them or not, to help reduce fine lines and wrinkles, or to even improve the overall texture of their skin. Of course, I'm also going to be sharing with you which people this particular retinol serum is best for. So hey besties, it's your girl Shuga. If you're new here, you're definitely welcome. Please consider hitting the subscribe button if you have not done that already. Click on that thanks button that comes with a dollar sign to help me to continue to bring videos like this to you. Now, the Advanced Clinical Retinol Serum is a potent anti-aging formula that helps to significantly reduce the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and saggy pores on your face. Now, of course, its key ingredients are the retinol, the vitamin A, aloe vera extract, green tea, and glycerin to also help hydrate and moisturize your skin while giving you that glowing, supple skin that you want. Whether you have a skincare routine or not, it is very necessary to incorporate retinol into your daily life. So even if you don't have 1000 skincare products or a 10-step skincare product in your skincare routine, having this simple basic skincare routine is perfect and will do the job for you, will help you achieve a flawless glowing skin. You will keep looking younger and fresher, and people will never believe your actual age when you tell them how old you really are. And now this simple routine, of course, is having your cleanser, which is, very important. You always want to make sure that any skincare product that you're applying on your face goes on a clean base, on a clean surface. So you cleanse your face. You can use any nice cleanser you have based on your skin type. If you have an oily skin, a dry skin, an acne prone skin, a combination skin, a sensitive skin, you should have a mild gentle cleanser, not even necessarily a treatment cleanser, that will help to leave the skin on your face and your pores very clean. Next thing, of course, that you would want to go in with is a toner. Of course, it is the lightest, okay, in the range of skincare products. It always comes in a lighter texture or a lighter formula. So you want to go in with this immediately to apply on your face. Let it sink into your skin. If you do not have a toner, it is okay to skip it. Okay, it is not very necessary or very important in skincare routine. What you need are the basics: the cleanser, moisturizer, and your serum if you have a serum, and then your sunscreen. Now the next thing you want to go in with, of course, after your cleanser and your toner, is your serum, and this is where the Advanced Clinical Retinol Serum comes in. You apply it into your face, allow it to sink into your skin. While it is drying out, you can now go in with your moisturizer, which is also going to be based off of your skin type and the skin concern that you're currently dealing with or that you're intending to take care of. But most importantly is to have a good moisturizer that will not just moisturize your skin but will keep your skin hydrated and will help your skin to retain moisture so that it remains fresh, supple, and glowing. And of course, if you're using your serum during the day, even if you're not using it during the day, the next thing you want to go in with during the day is your sunscreen, which is very important. If you use skincare on your face and you do not layer it with a sunscreen, cover it up or seal it up with a sunscreen, you have practically just wasted your money or wasted that particular skincare product. So always make sure that in all the basic skincare products that you have, that you always have a sunscreen to help to protect your skin from the ultraviolet rays of the sun, and will also help to shield the product you have put on your face so that they can actually sink into your pores and do what it is exactly that you want them to do on your face. Now, the Advanced Clinical Retinol Serum will not just improve your skin's elasticity, but it will help to reduce redness on your face. It will hydrate your skin thanks to the presence of glycerin. It will also improve your skin's texture, your skin's tone, and the general appearance of your skin. It is of course safe to use both in the morning and at night, but remember that if you're using it during the day, you need to go in with a sunscreen. But honestly, I would always say that if you're using products like retinol, vitamin C, salicylic acid, all those actives, azelaic acid, and the rest of them, it is best to use them at night when they are actually going to be more effective and actually, do the magic that they need to do on your skin as against applying them during the day. And oh, the Advanced Clinical Retinol Serum will also help to significantly reduce the appearance of sun damage on your skin, to also help to reduce any sagginess that you might be experiencing on your face already. Now, this serum is safe for everybody to use, but if you particularly have a sensitive skin, whether a sensitive dry skin, a sensitive oily skin, a sensitive combination skin, or a sensitive acne prone skin, instead of going in with the Advanced Clinical Retinol Serum every single day, morning and night, you want to do it 2 to 3 times every week in order to reduce the chances of having irritation on your face. Now, it is always advisable, of course, that whenever you're starting a new skincare product, that you do a patch test first and watch it for the first 24 hours to know if that particular product is suited for your skin or not. So let me know in the comment section below if you have used retinol before. Let me know your age range, maybe between the ages of 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35, like that. Let me know your age range and your skin type in the comment section below. I'll be waiting to interact with you guys. I'm going to be responding to every single one of your comments. And that, of course, my loves, brings me to the end of this video. Did you find this video helpful? Please let me know as well in the comment section below. Remember to like this video, share out this video, click on that thanks button that comes with a $sign to help me to continue to bring videos like this to you, and to also be able to afford to have all the skincare products that I talk about right here in front of you. And of course, my darlings, till I come your way next time in my very next pretty video, subscribe if you have not done that already. And of course, stay lifted, stay blessed, stay inspired, and don't you ever forget that sugar loves you. Bye.